Hello, people. So, considering now all of us are like homebound and it's like national lockdown, at a time like this, for the ones who are very interested to learn new things and like make use of this time, there is this site called udemy.com. And people, what a site it is! I mean, because Udemy is something that, in case you also like, in case you have a certain talent, you can like make it into a little video or a course and then upload it onto the site. Because I mean, there are certain talents that all of us have, and it's nice to share it with the world and make some money through it. So I find that whole concept unique. And when you were to see the Udemy site, you'll realize that it is, you have like the best teachers from across the planet on it. Like I would like to learn Reiki healing, but if honestly, Reiki healing is rather expensive. I mean, even if you were to learn it from some teacher based in your own city, it's prohibitively expensive. But on Udemy, that very same course is something that anyone can access. So people just check it out. It's called udemy.com, and all your own special unique talents. It's it's important that we share it with the world. And in today's day and age, where we are all looking for passive sources of income, a place like Udemy is worth exploring. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.